No tears this time. A calm, focused Oscar Pistorius arrived in court this morning for the start of his murder trial. Something of the old confidence seems to have come back. He's been out on bail for a year now. In the scrum outside, the mother of the woman he shot. This is Ms Steenkamp. She's never met Pistorius in the flesh before, but came to court today, she says, to look him in the eyes. The athlete's brother also emerged from the crowd. Rarely has an African courthouse attracted such global interest. And because of an unexpected ruling, we can now see live inside Courtroom D. No close-ups of Pistorius allowed, but this morning he quickly denied the charge that he deliberately murdered his girlfriend, Reeva Steenkamp.
How do you plead?
Not guilty, my lady.
And he didn't stop there. Pistorius' lawyers went on the attack, accusing the prosecution of deliberately distorting facts at last year's bail hearing. He came close to accusing the state of trying to frame him.
The only intended purpose of an attempt to introduce inadmissible character evidence would be to engineer and bring about an inadmissible attempted assassination of my character.
But then came the state's first witness, a neighbour. She didn't want to be filmed, but what she said through an interpreter was dramatic enough.
Bang. Bang, bang, bang.
She described hearing the 4 gunshots that night, a long gap after the first one. But crucially, she also spoke of hearing a woman screaming in terror before those shots.
She screamed terribly and she yelled for help.
It's evidence of what the prosecution insists was a fight between Pistorius and Reeva Steenkamp, the reason he allegedly killed her. This trial is likely to last many weeks, but it's got off to a blistering start.